Hi there and welcome to my channel. In this video we will take a look at the
Teclast P20HD Android tablet. This tablet is really popular lately. It is probably best value for money right now. For around $130 US, you get a really nice package. If you're lucky, you might find it even for $100 US. As you can see, it comes really well packed to avoid any damage to the electronics during transport. Anyways, let's take a look and see what this tablet has to offer. With it, you get a USB charger with USB Type-C cable. It comes with screen protector already attached, an instruction manual in several major languages. This is a 10.1-inch tablet featuring 1920 x 1080 resolution and 16:9 aspect ratio. It has front and back cameras at 2 and 5 megapixels. The OS installed is Android 10 and is pretty standard, not much bloatware there. There is just one app for OTA firmware updates. The CPU is octa-core Unisoc SC9863A and it has 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of ROM. It also supports external SD cards up to 512 GB. The battery should be pretty decent in theory, as it is lithium polymer 5020 mAh. The tablet also includes standard connection methods such as Wi-Fi 802.11 up to AC standard, both 2.4 and 5 GHz, Bluetooth 5.0, and has dual SIM standby SIM tray, and it hosts standard 3.5mm headphone jack. You can either use 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and an SD card. The weight is slightly less than 200 grams. Google Play Store is already installed, as well as other basic applications. The tablet seems pretty well built, the screen is pretty decent, the sound is okay, overall speed is acceptable, and the weakest point in my opinion are the cameras.
specify milliseconds, how long will it take, and then you specify a level of light, intensity, and you can specify a color code, which is a standard hex color code that's used on HTML pages, for instance.
But all in all, great tablet with a nice big screen for that price.
Thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.